Hello, English 1 students. Welcome to the academic word of the day. And today's word will be ratio. Ratio. Let's move on. Oops, sorry for the hand. So we got the word up here, and it's ratio. Let's check how many syllables it has. And ratio has 2 syllables. Ray and show. Together goes ratio. 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 In Spanish, it means proporción. So what part of speech are we using this word? We use this word as a noun, and only a noun. Okay. What is the definition or the meaning of ratio? Ratio is the relationship between two groups of people or things that is represented by two numbers showing how much larger one group is than the other. So what this means is that you are making a comparison between two people, two things, by showing which group is bigger or larger than the other, where there's more on one side or on the other. Okay. Let's take an example. Imagine that you're in a classroom of 20 students, okay, and you want to know what is the ratio of students, okay, comparing them between girls and boys. Okay, you want to know what's more, if there are more girls or boys in this classroom. So you look at the numbers, okay, and if you notice that there are 5 girls to every 15 boys in the class. Okay, so the ratio in this class is that there is a higher number of boys than there is of girls. So there's 5 girls to 15 boys. Let's move on. In the novel by Arthur Clarke's 2001 A Space Odyssey, this is a novel that is science fiction. He bases the story, non-real and not true story, out in space, and it's basically a group of astronauts that are sent to space on to explore some alien technology that has been discovered. Okay. It says Arthur Clarke's novel 2001 A Space Odyssey describes the ratio of ghosts to living humans as 30 to 1. So what does this mean? Okay, this means that in comparing how many ghosts there are in Clarke's novel to comparison of humans, or in proportion to humans, is there's 30 ghosts for every one person. Okay, so the ratio of ghosts is higher than that of persons. So there are 30 ghosts to 1 person. The ratio is higher of ghosts than people. Looking back. So for this word, we have no familiar words. So we won't have to worry about these. Okay? But we do have synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, if we recall, are different words that have the same definition or meaning to the word that you're using. In this case, a substitute word, a word that you can use instead of ratio when you're writing, can be percentage. Percentage. Antonyms are the opposite. In this case, the opposite or the antonym of ratio is difference. The difference. Okay. So now, take a look around your classroom and try to see what is the ratio of male students compared to that of female students. Let's see if you can see which one is higher, which one is larger number than the other, which group is larger than the other. And once you count them and you see which one's greater, you have found the ratio in the classroom. Alright, students, this is all for this word. Happy studies and good luck on your Awods.